Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and locating the area you care about. This immediately places you in the right context. Once a visible landmark is selected, tap or right-click to drop a pin. You'll see latitude and longitude in the info card. Make sure to tap the coordinates to copy them. That's how you transfer precise location data into messages, GPS devices, or spreadsheets. Doing this first prevents guesswork and preserves exact decimals for accurate routing later. Once you have coordinates, paste them into the search field in lawn order, for example 40. 7,128 minus 74. 0060, because Google Maps reads that convention. Make sure negative signs denote west or south, otherwise you'll land on the wrong continent. After the point loads, click Directions and set your start location. The app will compute a route using the exact coordinates instead of ambiguous place names. To finish, share or save your coordinates so you or others can return quickly. Tap Share to generate a link or save the location with a label. If you need repeated access, pin it to favorites for one-tap retrieval. If something goes wrong, make sure you zoom in and redrop the pin. Imprecise clicks often cause errors, and verify you copied the full decimal string. If routing still fails, reverse the lat/lawn order or re-enter negative signs. That fixes most mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.